So hey guys, today again I want to go over a question I get asked a lot, and it's about automatic campaign ad placement or position placement. As you know, there are two places you can adjust the ad placement for either automatic or manual, and it's top of search or product pages, right? So to answer that question, I would say I don't usually use it for automatic campaigns, but in the case that you have an automatic campaign that is running for a long time and is performing well, you can look at the placements, and if it is performing well on product pages, then you could adjust the percentage by 10 to 20%, and then see if your conversion rate stays the same and your ACOS stays the same. If it does get results, then you can go ahead and increase that number. So that's the only time I would actually play with positions or bid placement for automatic campaigns. So I hope that makes sense. Again, if it's an automatic campaign with a history of doing well and it shows in the numbers, then you can go ahead and add a percentage, gradually increase the percentage by 10%. If you have any questions, leave them below and make sure to answer them, okay?